In this video, you'll learn how to fix your microphone in Google Meet so people can actually hear you clearly during your calls. We'll go through each step slowly and simply, and by the end, you should be able to troubleshoot most common mic issues on your own. Let's start from the very beginning by opening Google Meet. You can do this either by going directly to the Google Meet website in your browser or by joining from a calendar invite or link that someone has shared with you. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one, because your settings can sometimes differ between accounts. Once you're on the main Google Meet page, either join an existing meeting or start a new one. It's usually easier to adjust your microphone while you're actually inside a meeting because you can see the live audio indicator that shows if your mic is picking up sound. If the mic icon is red with a line through it, that simply means you're muted. Click it once to unmute before you continue. Now let's head into the settings. On the bottom, or sometimes the top of your Google Meet window, you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal dots, often labeled More Options. Click on that, and in the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a small window with several tabs along the side or the top. Click on the Audio tab. This is where you can control which microphone Google Meet is using. If you have more than one audio device connected, like a USB headset, a webcam with a built-in mic, and your laptop's internal microphone, it's important that the correct one is selected. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Microphone. Open that menu and choose the device you actually want to use. If you're not sure which one is correct, try speaking out loud while looking at the audio level indicator next to the microphone selection. If you see the bar moving up and down as you talk, that's a good sign that Meet is hearing you. If nothing moves, try choosing a different microphone from the list and test again. Take a moment to also make sure your chosen microphone isn't muted physically on the device itself, like on a headset mute button or a laptop function key. If your microphone still isn't working inside Google Meet, the next thing to check is your browser's microphone permission. Modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, and others will ask for your permission before any website can use your mic. Look near the address bar at the top of your browser for a small camera or microphone icon. Click it and confirm that the microphone permission for the Google Meet site is set to Allow, not Block. If it's blocked, change it to Allow and confirm that the correct microphone is selected there as well. Once you've adjusted the browser permission, the changes usually don't fully apply until you refresh the page. So go ahead and refresh your browser tab. You can click the refresh button next to the address bar or press the keyboard shortcut your browser uses to reload the page. After the page reloads, rejoin your meeting. When you come back in, double-check your microphone icon at the bottom of the screen to make sure you're not muted and say a few words. If other participants can hear you or you see the audio indicator moving again, your microphone is successfully fixed. So to recap, you opened Google Meet, went into Settings and the Audio tab, selected the correct microphone, checked your browser's microphone permission, and then refreshed and rejoined the meeting. Following these steps will solve most microphone problems you run into with Google Meet.